Hey lawyers, this is a 3-part series, and today's topic number 2, is how to use a green screen for your do-it-yourself law firm videos. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Thank you for joining me. I know that your time is super valuable, and I'm hoping that this content is making your firm worth more to you and to your clients. I know being a lawyer is tough, and now you have to be a really smart entrepreneur too, so I hope this helps. In this episode, you're going to learn about creative ways that I've developed to use a green screen for lawyer videos, which always looks beautiful and well produced, and like you're in a posh new office or in a courtroom. Everything is staged looking and the lighting is great. It really helps sometimes to use a green screen. So I'm going to talk all about that. In the last episode, I talked about what camera you might want to get if you're camera shopping. And in the next episode, I'm going to take years off your appearance with great lighting. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. Now, for those of you who want video but have no interest in filming, you might want to try artificial intelligence video. You can go back and look at my series linked somewhere around here, or reach out to me and get started. So what is a green screen? A green screen is a background that is a wild green color. We make sure that no one is wearing that green color because everything with that color is removed in post-production. The area where the green is becomes clear, and what we do is we insert an image or a video where the green was when we're in post-production. A green screen saves you money and time, especially when you can leave it all set up. But even when you can't leave it all set up, you can create a background that looks clean and professional and always looks the same. When you leave it set up, you can just click everything on and just come in and shoot, which really saves a lot of time and money. So how do I use green screen for my lawyers? I will sometimes create a custom office space that's literally in Photoshop. For my client pal, Mike Sullivan, I created him an entire office in Photoshop that we jokingly call his California office. I put his logo on the wall, slight blur to make it look film-like. Mike actually has a really nice office, but this way of using the green screen makes it so he can just pop in front of the green screen and his office always looks the same. We don't have to light the background. We don't have to stage the background. Another way that we use green screens is that we'll take pictures of your office when your office looks just how you want it. Every book is in the right place. You're not covered with papers. It's not a mess. And we'll set up your office and then take high quality photos and slip those in to the green screen. The final way that I love using a green screen for my lawyers is to create a courtroom for them. I'll put them in a courtroom because a lot of times when we're doing Facebook advertising, the person's sound is off, and when they see a courtroom, it puts it in their mind that you're about handling cases and being a lawyer. But there's also a few things I want to say about a green screen being tough. If you don't know how to light a green screen, it can be difficult because it won't even work in post-production. You really have to know how to light the green screen. And then once you have the green screen lit, you also need to know how to light your on-screen talent. And that also takes a lot of skill. But I'm going to talk about that in the next episode. I'm literally going to help you take years off your appearance by creating the right lighting setup. I want to thank you for taking your time with me today, and also remind you that the way that you could support this channel is by getting an online course or my handbook or reaching out to work with me anytime. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.